This is all about the Consew 106 RB1. In the previous videos, I've talked about replacing your needle. Also talked about how to properly line your threading. Well, this one is for those who are done all those things and you still can't get your sewing machine to work properly. Me myself, I'm having a little tension problem right now, but it's about your timing. This is the most easiest thing to do, and it's a very quick video for you guys to get your machine in timing. The Consew 206 RB1, and this will work for just about a lot of industrial sewing machines, even my Jukies. See that button right there? This will save you a lot of money paying these guys to come out and service your sewing machine when your timing is off. If you have everything correct, sometimes if this right here is not evenly lined up with this thread, that could throw it off. The tension's too tight here, too loose, that could throw you off. If this not in here correctly, and this bobbin is not right, or down here where you put your bobbin thread at the bottom, I'll turn it till I get it in the right spot. If this not right correctly, then that could throw you off too. But you know that all these things are working right. It's not tangled up down here. It's not broken. There you go. Right, so how you get your timing? This button. I came forward just a little bit, right? And I'm mashing this button and I'm turning the wheel backwards. You heard that click? Y'all heard that?
If you'd like to see more of our videos, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.